hi guys, I'm Wad2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Squire SAL-40. Basically it's Sierra Alpha Lima /40. Looks near on identical, and I think dimensions also, of an American series padlock. It does have a working key. It's a 5-pin. Probably won't see that, as I've said before. I need to get another camera, but it's literally sort of up and down, up and down. It picks open really well. It's not key retaining, so you can actually take the key out. Draw the key out a tad. Locked up. So what I found with this, I've actually bumped this, I think, using like a universal padlock bump key. I've never actually single pin picked it on video, so this is the first for it. So basically what I'm doing, like I say, it opens really well, is applying sort of light tension, attacking pin 1 first. When I say attacking, just literally forcing it down. The tension wrench will sort of drop slightly, not out of the lock. Then nip into sort of 2 and 3, bit of counter rotation, and it's open. If you get the rhythm correct, you got this lock literally open in 2-3 seconds. So let's have a go. So pin 1, back drop, there you go. Just nipping over 2, counter on 3, one more go at that. Probably won't do that again, but like I say, it's generally, it flies open like that, more or less all the time. So pin 1, drop, yeah, didn't quite push down far enough on 3 there, but as you can see, picked twice in seconds. Also, while I think bosnianbill did a video, I think last week, regarding what we may carry around. I mean, we've got toolkits as such like this with everything in it, but it's like, what do you actually sort of carry? These do go in my car with me, with bump keys, etc., snap guns, but as a backup I've got this, and it's literally wallet sized. I can keep this in my suit jacket pocket, hardly feel it's there. And this is what's inside it. Everything in here, sort of homebrew, should I say. Got some bump keys. These are universal bump keys. These are homebrews. Obviously one of the smaller ones on there is, but the warded picks come in handy every now and again. Flexi type tension wrench, homebrew, another one for top and bottom of the keyway. Now these that are in here, these little picks, I think I've done a video of these before, but they're literally It's the first lock-picking kit I actually purchased when getting into lock sports, and it was a clon set, which being heavy-handed at first I snapped a few, but that is what it sort of literally looks like. That's a lot longer, but the metal that goes down inside this rubber grip, all I did to make these was snap that off, peel off some plastic on the inside, get some heat shrink on there, and fantastic little picks. So if I do happen to need to pick a lock open if asked, and I've not got my kit with me right at the side of me, these are in my jacket pocket and they do work wonders. And like I say, in a nice little wallet type thing inside a jacket pocket, spot on. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you are newbies to lock sport, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.